3, 2, 1.
What's up mga choy? Ubani na si Kuninyo sa laing adventure kung diin atong lakton ang Talamban to Banawa pinaagi sa Sirao, Budlaan, Babag Ridge. Lakaw, Palugis na what jeep. Now entering Bantol Discipline Zone. The weather's good today. And we are doing 2 routes in one day, depending on the weather condition later. But this one is gonna be traversing from Talamban going to Sirao, then from Sirao going to Banawa. Right now we're just doing the first part, and if weather permits, we'll proceed to the second leg. Yeah. It's so hot. Why not? Because we are the champions, my friend. We're still happy I'm able to do things like this. You know, it is a privilege, and I'm so happy for it. Life update, we are now 9 kilometers and it's been 2 hours and 34 minutes. Our goal is to finish the first leg in 3 to 4 hours. So we have 4 hours for the second leg. Finally, ang infamous Bangbang Bridge. I think this is the third or the fourth waterfall. And of course, kaya mag-hike ta, kinahanglan kita o dato ang nutrition. And kay harman niya itong drone, maharap ng sapatos. Isa na tutupiro na itong nutrition, kinahanglan kita good na trail mix. Ang akong ma-recommend din yun, lain kundi halo-halo. Limpyo, nakaayo ang Budlaan for now. Naot papabilin ang iyang pagka-pristine and beautiful. And we're now heading to the 7 waterfalls. And now we are at the tallest among the 7 levels of the Budlaan waterfalls. This is known as Kabang Falls. We are here in so windy today. What's up everyone? We are now down to the 21st kilometer and it's been 7 hours and we just passed by RCPI towers. We're heading to Bukawi. Originally the plan was to do 6 towers, but considering that I've been there quite a lot of times, so I was thinking to just forgo that and do Bukawi. That way I have like sort of a detour from my typical route. So again, this journey is from Tintay going to Banawa, Pasay Arcenas, and it traverses the area from Lake Lier going to the Lumbuyan viewpoint in Baogo, then to Budlaan Waterfalls, and then down to Malubog, then to Holiday Pool, Serenity, then RCPI, and then we're gonna be heading down to Bukawi, then Pamutan. So far so good, life is good, and the weather is quite nice. All because God is with me. This is Bukawi from RCPI. route. It's a lot of overgrown. I want to be sure that I'm doing the right track. That's the view here. Okay. Peak. Actually, this is not the peak. The peak is up there. Wow. Bukawi Peak, all for myself. Update. We are now in Barangay Bukawi, going to Pamutan. And then after that, we're gonna do Baksan. Now in Amordino. And we got Humba, which is nice. Latest update, we're 33.58 kilometers and we are now here at Paseo Arsenas. So more or less we're going to be having around 34 kilometers, 35ish with adjustments that will be made by Strava. And there's McDonald's. Yep, we did it. We conquered Alamban to Banawa, which is so nice.
Of yourself, just the